Hello everyone, today we have a very special ArtSnacks box. I'm going to review a box dating November 2015. If you go to the ArtSnacks website, you'll see that in the shop they have some older boxes available, and that's where I found this one. But actually I bought it quite a while ago. I think it was almost a year ago, if I'm not mistaken. What really caught my attention with this box is the artwork that came with it. The artist who drew that little fox really did a fantastic job, and it just inspired me to get the box. But my wiser self kept on telling me, well, it's not because the artwork is beautiful that you're going to do the same thing. So I put off buying the box for a while, until ArtSnacks decided to have a sale. So not only the older boxes were on sale, but on top of that, there was a store-wide sale, so I ended up getting that box for only 10 bucks. I just couldn't resist. Although the color for the paint was an orangey color, which looked very great with the fox. I was hoping to get a similar color, but I only get a purple, which is nice too. So the Palomino pencil is very nice and soft. I still don't get the hype about those pencils, but they work really well. They just, because they're so soft, they tend to smudge a lot though, but it's pretty nice to draw with them. One item I was looking forward to was the Kuretake Fude Gokochi brush pen. It's so nice. I really liked using it. Unfortunately, it's not waterproof and not Copic proof, so you have to adjust the way you use it, but it's really nice. Because I really had one color, although I could have had a second color if I had used water on the brush pen, but because I only had a purple, I decided to use it more like watercolor so I could have different tones. So I used my paddle brush to wet the whole paper on both sides and lay it flat, and I just played around with it. I wanted to paint a crocus flower because it's purple and that's all I had. So I played around, and that paddle brush is so much fun. It's a lot easier to use than expected, and you can draw really fine lines with it and details. I really liked using it. And again, because the Fude Gokochi brush pen is not waterproof, I used it at the very end when the paper was dry. So I was very pleased with this box. It cost me only 10 bucks, and I really enjoyed the supplies. Now for something serious. You know that last month I did an ArtSnacks giveaway. I didn't give away an ArtSnacks box or art supplies, but I decided to make a portrait of one of my wonderful subscribers with the supplies that came in the March box. I don't know about you, but I had a lot of fun doing that. So I decided to do it again for the month of April. Here's how it works. If you're a subscriber, just write in the comments that you'd like to participate. And you have until Saturday, March 31st to do so. On Sunday, April 1st, I will draw a name and I will make a video to announce the winner. The winner will have until Wednesday the 4th to contact me and send me a picture of themselves or somebody else if they're too shy. And once I have their picture and I receive my April ArtSnacks box, I'll draw their portrait with the supplies from the box. Now the fun part is that I have no idea what will come in the box. I have no idea what colors I'll have. It's going to be tricky or not. We'll see. You can always check out my previous ArtSnacks video with the winner of the March challenge, and you'll see what colors I got and how I ended up making the portrait. So if you want to participate, hurry up and go put your comments in the comment section below, and good luck to everyone. Thank you all for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.